Hello friends, welcome back to my video channel one more time. So today we will learn what is the best way to earn money online by selling your photos. So are you a budding photographer or a professional photographer? Then here are some tips for you guys to earn handsome amount of money from this side hustle by selling your photos online. But if you are just starting out with the photography, and it may take a while for you to make money with the photography. However, one of the earliest things you can do to get yourself ahead is by using the right gear. So you will want to begin with a DSLR camera since it can be upgraded with a variety of lenses and accessories. If you are serious about turning your photography into a business, then investing in a high quality camera is very essential in this business, but also an easy way to set yourself apart from the competitors. So as you build up your in-person client base, you should certainly look into monetizing your photos online. There are services that are always out on the look for high quality photos that businesses and individuals can use for their content creation. So figure out what type of photos these corporations are looking for in order to learn how to make money with photography very quickly and efficiently in a digital age. So another way to increase the sales in through high quality photo printouts. Take a look at blogs for a custom and professional quality photos books, which can either be sold or used as a marketing material for your business. If you are thinking of starting a photography gig, then also check out Square Payments for a fast and easy way to get paid for this kind of job. So guys, if you are a photographer gig, then just set up your Instagram account also, because Instagram is the one of the platforms, social media platform, where all the people are always dragging their photos and putting it on their accounts, and various content creators are also looking for the sponsored ads through their accounts. So that is also the best way to publish your photographs, and who knows, a sponsored corporate ad you might also get in the future and start earning with that also. So guys, go ahead and start your photography business today. Thank you.